Nice and easy on mainly the tips at Brenda's Birds.
By Bobby Sisterhand.
That is correct.
Hi there, here we are today at Brenda's Birds. We've got Petey showcasing some of our available babies. We've got a rainbow Lori, aka Swanson's Lori, and he's available. We also have a cute little black cap Lori, who's a little bit bigger than the rainbow Lori. They do eat a special diet, so make sure you research these birds before purchasing. They eat a lot of fruit and they have certain types of food that they like to have. And they're not seed eaters. So that's one option that we have. We have cockatiels. We have lots of cockatiels to choose from. You can get all different kinds of colors. Here's an example of several colors in one bird. We call this two-face. On one side, two-face is a regular mutation cockatiel, and on the other side, he's a white-face. Two different birds in one. We have macaws. This one here is a baby blue and gold macaw. This particular baby has a new home, but we do have an adult one that's about 9 or 10 months old that is ready for her forever home. We also have African grays, and double yellow-headed Amazons. We do wean our birds to a diet of pellets, fruit, and we do mix in seed. It looks like they ate most of their fruit today. We have some baby African grays also in addition to these ones here that are available. Look at him. He plays with his toes. Hi, cutie booty. Hi. Oh. He sucks his toe. How cute is that bird? Look at him. He stretches his other leg out. This baby here is a Harlequin macaw. She's still young, just like the other baby. She's not ready for a cage just yet, just learning to get her balance. Usually she's laying on her back, sucking her thumb and chewing on her tail, but right now she's busy eating some carrots and pellets. Very beautiful baby, also available here at Brenda's Birds. Here's some more baby cockatiels. We've got several different colors. We've got little pearly babies. We have little Latino babies. We have regular grays. Whoops. And they're weaned and ready for their forever homes. We also have a different variety of conures. These conures here, we have a pineapple and a little green cheek conure. They're super cute, they're playful, they talk a little bit. They're small, and they're great little birds to have. Definitely a very coveted bird in this industry. We've got a variety of hand-fed parakeets. All of these babies were hand-fed, and they're ready to go for their new home. Very beautiful little colors, not like when they're parent raised. When they're parent raised, you really can't hold them quite the same because they bite. But they are ready to go. We also have hand-fed parrotlets. They're super cute. They're great little birds. They're basically a miniature parrot. The males can learn how to talk pretty good. They're nice and petite, fun little birds to have. We also have BB parrots, aka canary wings. Cute little birds, very popular, very playful. Very fun, cute little playful, funny little birds. They're very sweet. They make lots of little noises. I have heard of some talking. I've never really seen any that have talked. Very popular little birds. Nice little pet, like a little pocket parrot.
Where are you going?
And here's our available blue and gold Jersey. Jersey's about 10 months old. She's a sweet bird. She does a little talking. She's super spoiled. She's very affectionate. She loves to be handled, snuggled, and played with. And she loves Petey. Petey's her man.
Hello.
These are little baby conures. We've got a red factor sun conure here. He's going to be very red when he grows up and goes through his first molt. We've got 3 little normal sun conures here. Here's a little turquoise Quaker. Very cute. They're known for their little peep 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 peep. And we've got a blue Quaker, also super cute. Whoops, don't step on them. These guys are all, Quakers are very good little talkers. They're very popular. We have many more, but they're a lot smaller than these at this time. We've got green ones, we've got a Latino one, we've got another blue one available. And we also have a very high yellow sun conure that will be available as well. We also have a cute little baby green wing. Look how precious. She's a girl. We had her DNA'd. She's very sweet and affectionate. She's still getting hand fed. As a matter of fact, she's got a full crop right now. Like a baby dinosaur. Super sweet, super lovable. You really can't get any better than that. And that's one of the larger of the macaws. They're like a dog. She's spoiled. We also have two toucanets. We have a Guyana toucanet, which is the black one. They're miniature toucanets. They stay pretty small. They have a lifespan of approximately 15 to 20 years. And then we also have an emerald toucanet. Again, this is a miniature toucanet, approximate lifespan of about 25 years. They can be trained to do some tricks, and they can be tame and very playful when handled. They do have also a large diet of fruit and certain pellets that are just for them. So make sure you do your research on what they need to eat. We carry the pellets that they eat here in the store. We have lots of lovebirds. They're a little scared right now because I just moved their cage. We've got Latino and Fisher versions. We've got some black mass versions here. Very cute. We've got several different kinds in the store. We also have some red-headed parrot finches. We've got 2 varieties. We've got the regular and we've got the pied. The pied are green and red currently, but they will turn more yellow as they grow older and they go through a molt. Unfortunately, they don't stay still long enough to get a picture of anything. We've got 2 different varieties of diamond doves. We've got fawn-colored diamond doves and regular diamond doves. Diamond doves are miniature pigeons or doves like birds. They're really miniature doves. They're small. They are quiet. They're not very jumpy or busybodied. They kind of do their own thing, and they're mellow. Very pretty little birds. Nice little starter birds. We've also got canaries. We've got all colors. We've got males and females in stock. The males are the ones that sing. We've got yellow, different shades of brown. We've got a red factor in there somewhere. We've got the pale yellow ones. Unfortunately, they also don't stay very still for pictures. We've also got a crested one back there too. We also have Hans macaws. We have 3 in stock, but they are sold. Just one is available. This one's got a little bit of a red chin. Super sweet little birds. They're like little Velcro birds. They're very talkative. They're very playful. They're very, very snuggly and sweet. Hey, baby. Cute. We carry toys for all kinds of birds. We carry toys for big birds, little birds, parrots, finches, cockatiels, anything that you can imagine we have toys for. We are also getting a new shipment in next week of toys. So whatever you're looking for your feathered friend, come on in, we'll get it for you. We also carry a variety of different size cages. We've got cages for all kinds of birds. It's a little bit of a mess in here right now because we're removing some stuff around. But we do have perches, freestanding perches. We've got cages for large birds, medium-sized birds. We've got cages for little birds, all kinds of small birds, and even breeding cages. We carry all kinds of foods, every variety. We have dried fruit. We have a nut mixes. We've got Nutriberries, Abbott cakes, hanging bird treats. We've got prepackaged foods. We carry Harrison's. We carry Supreme. We carry our own brand of food that we prepackage. It's fresh because we open 1 million bags a week. We have boxed millet. We have Supreme prepackaged food. We also do grooming and boarding are services that we offer. Just call ahead for grooming just to make sure that someone's here to take care of that for you.